Hello and welcome students to the online classes of English language. I hope you people are making good use of these lockdown days and going through the digital study materials being provided to you, right? So in this video, we are going to study about articles which are an, a and the. Alright, and we are also going to see the kinds of articles based on their usage. So without a further go, let's get started. So, what are articles? Articles are words used before a noun as they modify a noun. Now, as they give, what do you mean by modify? Modify means they describes a noun or they give more information about a noun. Okay. Now, as they give more information about nouns, so they function as adjectives in a sentence. Alright. Now articles also defines whether a noun is used in a specific context or general context. Now there are three articles in English. Those are an, a and the, right? Now these articles are categorized into two different types as per their usage. So let's see the kinds of articles depending upon their usage. Now, as per their usage, articles are divided into two types, definite article and indefinite article. Now, article the, that comes under definite article as it shows unique or specific things. Article a and an comes under indefinite articles as they don't show any specific thing. Instead, they show the things in general. Now let's look into some examples to understand it better. Suppose you are given a choice to eat some chocolates from a box. Okay. Now there are 3 chocolates altogether. So if you want to eat one chocolate, you would say, I want to eat a chocolate from the box. Isn't it? Right. But if you want to eat a specific chocolate from that box, you would say, I want to eat the dark chocolate from the box, or you would say I want to eat the chocolate which is on the left side, isn't it? So you can notice that we are using the for pointing out a specific chocolate and a for a chocolate in general. So you can also notice that we are using a and not an when we are talking about a general chocolate. So let's see why we are using a and not an. Now we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabets, right? Out of which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 letters are consonants, right? Now if a word begins with a vowel sound, and is used. And if it begins with a consonant sound, then we use a. That is why when we were talking about chocolate, we were getting the sound of a consonant. You pronounce the word chocolate, you'll get the sound of a consonant C, right? So we used a and we did not use an. I hope you understood, right? Now please note, we have to look for the vowel sound and the consonant sound, not just vowels and consonants. You keep this in mind. So let's look into some examples where we use the article an. Now we say an ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. Can you see here? Notice the word are. When we say are, H becomes silent and we get the sound of the vowel O. Is that clear? That is why we say an hour. Same goes for the word honest. When we say honest, we are not getting the sound of H. We are getting the sound of O, and O is a vowel. Okay? That is why we say an honest man. Is it clear to everyone? So let's look into some examples where we use the article a. A boy, a woman, a horse, a book. All of these starts with a consonant sound. Can you notice that? So when we see words which starts with a consonant sound, we use the article a. Okay, so now let's look into those words which starts with a vowel but gets the sound of a consonant, like a European, a university, a 1 rupee note. If you notice, although these words are starting with a vowel, but when we are pronouncing them, we are getting the sound of a consonant. That is why the article a is used. Let's look into 5 important uses of the article the. The first use is, it is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. For example, he has a girl. The girl wants to become a doctor. Now see here, we used a to refer to the girl for the first time. But when we are referring to the girl for the second time, we are using the article the. Now let's see the second example. I ate an apple. The apple was sweet. So we used an to refer to the apple for the first time, but we used the article the when we are referring to the apple again. Now the second usage. It is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. For example, my father enjoyed the book which I gave him. Which book did he enjoy? The book which I gave. So we are talking about one book in particular. So we are using the article the. Now let's look into the third usage. It is used when a singular noun is used to represent a whole class. Now whole class means the entire group, or it is referring to everybody. Okay. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here we are talking about the whole class or group of dogs. So we are using the article the. Now let's look into another example. The cat loves comfort. Now here we are talking about every cat, not only one cat in particular. Therefore, the article the is used. Now let's look into the fourth usage. It is used before some proper nouns for the following categories, like ocean and seas. Example, the Pacific, the Black Sea, the Atlantic. It is for rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, desert, the Sahara, the Thar, group of islands, example the West Indies, the Maldives. Then for mountain ranges, example the Himalayas, the Andes, the Swiss Alps. Holy books, examples could be the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. So these are some proper nouns before which we use the article the. Now let's look into the fifth usage. It is used to refer to people or objects that are unique or one in the whole world. Okay. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the ocean. Since these are unique objects and mostly only one, so we use the article the before them. I hope you understood this. So children, to determine which article to use where, we must focus on the sounds of the words. If we get a vowel sound, we will use the article an. If we get the sound of a consonant, we would use the article a. And when we talk about a specific or a particular thing, then we use the article the. So children, that's all about our topic articles in this video. Go through your book and try to understand the chapter, and we shall discuss the exercise in the next audio. Thank you so much.